I hope my audio is clear. Yeah, seems like fine. Okay. Yeah. So in the previous, what happened is like if you load the page, you can go to this logout, click on this logout, and you come to this. But then you'll face one problem. Is it? One second. Let me get the username and password. So username is allowed. But let's go to the tab. Password was our secret password. It's hello world. Sign in. And this is how we get this, and this won't work again. Will it work? Let's try one more time. Let's code together for tab. Yeah, it works now because if you see on the sign in, right, we've made some changes. If you see this, we have the navigator, this one, right? When you but what we were trying to do is like we wanted to do it here itself, right? So if it has data, you should go to home page or else go to auth register view, right? This won't work even now. I could not find a way how I could achieve this. So if I comment out this, right? So what happens now is okay, right. We are working on the animation thing. Okay, this one, and this will sign in with email and password. But when it signs in, we should go to the home page, right? Then because this will have data. But this does not work if you see. So if I reload the page, right? It's still here. Click on logout. I go to logout, right? I go to sign in. So let's see our logout part. So if you click on logout, right, it will take you to sign in flow. Okay, that's correct. But now if you reload the page, right, you should be on the auth register view, right? Because sign in snapshot won't have data. I think our view is not working correctly. So because we did not do. Let's put under this mounted so that we don't get the warning. So something like this, and now when you click on logout, you should go to the sign in. But now when you go to the sign in, now this is okay. Still, this is not correct thing. If you say it went to the okay, this is fine. So reload the page once. It says it's still false. So I should go to register view, correct? Let's go to sign in. We're in sign in. Now let's try to log in once again. Let's go to tab. Click on sign in. So it's true, right? But still we do not go to the home page. I have no way of knowing why it does not work. like it's executing up to this, but this return statement is not working for some reason. It's not an error also. If it's error, also we'll be getting some errors, right? So we don't get even any errors also. I don't know if anything is wrong here, but if you reload the page right now, since we are already signed in, the Firebase instance will have the current user. If you reload, it will go to the home page directly now. See, go to the home page, right? And the logout also should work here. So from the logout, let's do one thing. Let's remove the navigation, okay? So that this get executed once again. So we get to go to the register view instead of the sign in. Let's say open up this, click on logout. Correct, we should go here because this is false. Click on sign in. Okay, let's fix this first. Second, let's go here and on register. This is a sign in, right? So this needs to be here. Instead of my home page, this will be sign in view. We wanted to slide, right? Not page. So it should be this. Something like this. Save this. Let's reload the page. You should go to the register view. Click on sign in. Okay, not this way, it should go the other way. So that is, it should go in +1. That is on the right hand side. It should come to 0. Okay, let's reload the page once. I'm reloading the page because we want to go to the previous state, right? Because we don't have back button for this. Click on sign in. Yep, it works. And let's do hello. Let's go together. Flutter. Okay, click on sign in. See, it works here. On logging it works, but it does not work. So today we'll try to solve this only. Okay, we'll see if we can find anything. Mostly this today will be, most of the things will be like going through Google and see if we can find a way. Because if you see the log, right, it says calling homepage. That is this line. But why is this page not getting executed then? Right? You should call this page, right? If you go to my home page, this is my home page. I don't think if there is any issue, it should show up here. It does not show up any issue. Yeah, let's see if we can fix this. Let me bring up Chrome. It's not changing my okay. Our changes is listened. Let's see. Our pronunciation, but state is not changing. Okay, that is what I was seeking debugging help. Why isn't this code working? This design we have specific components left to question the separate quotation, the question itself, question into the okay, no answers here. I think DuckDuckGo has a it's DuckDuckGo. Okay, and let's search this. So, hi Ochira, good night. Change in Firebase is not updating my Flutter. And here we can have the assist, right? We know this, so it is not helping. So let's do the chat thing. This is what we can use from DuckDuckGo side. We can use this. Really. Stateful. Yes, we are using stateful. So give me a second. Both of our my app and homepage both are stateful, so this is not a problem. Consider the widget that's listening to the audience callback is a ancestor of the widget that needs to be updated. If the callback is triggered but the widget isn't built, it may be because the affected widget is not descendant of the widget that's listening to the callback. Let's put our code. Okay, so we will show this. No, it does not return the home page. Let's see what it says. Looks like you're using stream builder to listen to the audience stream, which is a great approach. From the snippet you provide, it seems like you're correctly handling the different state. Okay. However, I just noticed that you're not checking for any errors that might occur while listening to the audience streams. You can add an additional check for has error to handle any error that might occur. Make sure to check the logs for any error message. We are not getting any of this. User is signing. You can add some debugging, logging, or breaking the my homepage constructor to verify that it's being called correctly. If you're having trouble, please provide. Okay, so it wants me to put a logger. That is, I'll put that. So let's go back to our VS Code. So it's if it works, right? Like if you see this logging state, right? It says calling homepage. That means we are already here, right? So where will the error be coming? That is the problem, right? Still, let's see. I don't think it's helping us, but it says write something like this, right? But I don't see any. But we can do one thing in the home page. In the initial, let's see template log calling home page. to even see if this page was even called or not. Okay, let's reload the page since it's in the init state, so we need to call that. Bring up our emulator. So yeah, first we'll go to homepage because since we're already logged in, right? So then go to this, go to logout. That is correct. This is working if you see, right? The logout thing is working. Okay. Are you doing anything on logout? No, we're not doing anything, right? So logout is working. Click on sign in. Let's put once again. So let's go to that. In the end, it may be a silly error that we're ignoring, but I cannot find it for now. Just create user is null false. Create user is null false. Okay, it went to the home also if you see. Interesting. But we did not get any error for this. No. Create user is null. Something is wrong in the home or what? Sign anything and pass. Okay, let's go to home. So what is our home doing? First, it will check permission. That is the request for nothing. Configure select notification service. This one, no issue here also. And super init state. Okay, up to this it's correct. Then we'll call the build state, right? Go here. Yes, it says calling homepage also. That means it came here also. And if I put a devlog here, okay, log inside build. I'm really not understanding the flow, how things are working now. So let's only see what are the log again. So for now, it's inside build. That means build was okay. Correct. Go to logout. Okay, it's false. That's also right. And let's do once again. Hello at tag. Put the password. Okay, not here. We need to sign in actually. Tab. Click on sign in. It's inside build also. So where is the issue? Should I call set state here? But why that I don't know. Yes, this will throw an error because it will try to reload everything. It will come here and it will keep on looping here itself, right? It's trying to build. So get this, go to logout. Let's also correct, go to sign in. It goes here, even it prints out. There is on the build also. So this is also getting logged. So where is the issue then? Let's give some more data to the llama and see if it can be. Okay, it says it's not there now. So seems like this free stuff is not that good. Okay. Design the stream builder is correctly triggered on the build method with the home page when the widget is signed in. You're seeing the log message calling home page inside the build method. My home page widget is being built. However, my home page is not being built. Besides, there might be an issue with the widget tree or the navigation logic. Right? Here are some potential reasons why my home page might not be showing. Make sure that the stream builder is direct child of material app or a widget pending widget. If the stream builder is nested inside another widget, inside the parent widget is not blocking my home page from the spread. Here is an issue. If you're using a navigation package like inside the my home page, okay, verify that my home page is not being constant or hidden by its parent widget. Try one more thing. So here, just reload the page once again. That's false. That's correct. So now if you do here, so go check the tag. Seems like dot register view will would remove the company help me to manipulate items and enable the customer manipulator tracking. Like, what is the error I'm not getting correctly here? You can do one thing. Give me a second. Give me a second. So you can put a screenshot of your problem in this Telegram group so that I can see what's the problem you are facing. I could not get what you're saying. I will report Google account. Can you help me? Too many failed attempts unavailable because of too many failed attempts. Try. Like, what's the problem? I did not get the problem. You can post your screenshot or what you're trying to do on this group and I can see it right now. Okay. Okay, so I think the issue was because of this. Let me reload this page once again. Okay, not just reload, we need to change this to register with or registered. Okay, and let me reload the page. It's here. Click on logout. It's here, right? Click on sign in. Let's try once again. Let's go to the tab. Sign in. This time we did not say it's correct, right? There is a problem. 1 second. So we are inside the home page for now, and if you log out, that's correct. Click on sign in. We're here, and now if you do look at, let's do that time. Put the password. Click on sign in. Not working, right? the change that we did is go to auth register view, and auth register view, this will do a push displacement, that is, it will remove the okay, it will bring the signing to throw away the register thing. Okay. Then on the sign in, when you click on this, you should get signed in, and then you should get this log, right? Or am I getting something wrong? What does post replacement do? Which is the thing that I said, right? We'll just one sec. Replace the current route of the navigator by pushing the given route and then disposing the previous route once the new route has been placed in it. So it will dispose everything on the. So you're saying it will dispose all of this, so we don't even get this auth change because it will dispose away this thing completely. Interesting. Okay, so we can't use post replacement, that is what we know. But even if you use push, right? You get the issue that things are not rendered. Seems like when we're on the auth register view, and here when we click, we go to the sign in view, right? So what we have to do is, so if it's the response is correct, right? So this response is a Firebase auth response. If we can do something like if response dot status that is true, we can do navigator dot of context dot pop context dot mounted, something like this. What this will do is this will take out this sign in, right? Go to the auth, then this auth will get replaced. Let's try this now. Let's reload the page. We're here, that's correct. Click on logout. We're here, go to sign in. Let's log in. Let's go to the tab and world. Click on sign in. Yep, we're here. That is correct. But here context pop, right? What we can do is the pop we can't use anything, right? No. So why this was not working is when we are on the auth register view, right? Then in the auth register view, we have this where you can go to the sign in page, right? So if you see, we were going to the sign in page using this, right? So where is the sign in page? One second, give me a second. This one, right? If you're already registered, we have a button to call sign in, right? So when you do sign in and you go to this page using navigator, right? What happens is now auth register is not the front page where the main dot is thinking of, right? It wants this auth register. On top of this, the home page will be coming, right? If the condition is false. But since we're already on the sign in here, right? We're here. So if my home page will be here, it will be hidden by this sign, right? So it was getting rendered, but we could not see it because of this problem. So it was a small issue, but solving took a lot of time for us. Okay, think we have achieved what we wanted for now. So if you click on logout, you go to this page, click on sign in, and you can go here. Let's the tag, the password, click on sign in, and we should get this page. That's okay for us. And this one, we can do one thing. So we also can use the same thing that we used here, right? So this one we can use in the sign in also, in the pop navigator.pop, and here we can pass the context if you see, and we can also pass results, right? So let's pass this. How this will work is, let me log out, click on sign in, it comes this way, right? It goes this way only. So yeah, this is working for us now, and we can show one thing. If this condition is not true, right, the false condition we can keep similar as what we were doing earlier, the else one. That is, the snack bar will be coming up if there is any problem. Let's correct for us, and let's go to the main. This is working for us. Let's remove this one, a constant here, and on the home page, this one, right, we can remove the logging from init state, run the build. Okay, so yeah, this is what I was thinking. We'll make this instead of this circular, right? We'll try to make it rectangle so that it does not look like a pill but goes this way. So I'm thinking this will look a little bit better, like it will match the card thing in the top. So yeah, let's try to do that thing. So let's go to the learning. If you see here, right, the decoration, we have 1.5 and 16 of this one. So same thing, let's try to apply on waking up. Let's pin this. Let's see if we can do that, because here we use container, if you see, right, of expansion panel, but here we use the list style. Let's try out. So this will put as, if you see on the view, this is 1.5, right? 1.5 and 16. This be 116. Run this. Yeah, this is what we want. Similarly, we'll go for walk also. Walk distance and view, and similar thing we want here also. So let's go to the top. 1.5 with the width, and 16 is the border radius. Something like this. Hi Titya, I think you've joined on Telegram. Yeah, you can post your message. Okay, I'll try to see and solve it. and mute, I guess. For the exercise also, let's do the same. And exercise view 1.5, 16 for both. I think this we can since now we are using the same thing for this, we can make it a static variable. We'll do that, but give me a second. We'll do this. Okay, let's do the for expenditure also. Expenditure view, and same here 1.5, and it should be 16 .0 and 16.0. okay, expenditure is also this way now, and the last one is mode of the day and sleeping time, right? So I think this also 1.5 and 16.0. Okay, this is also done. The last one is sleeping time, right? So sleep time. This also, let's make this 1.5, and border radius is 16.0. Yeah, I think now it looks more consistent than before. It matches the top card also, right? I think, yeah, that is fine for us. And if you see in the top card, right, the T is too close to the side, so let's put some padding there also. So go to home page. It will be on the my home page, and in the top card, so that will be this one, card sized box, right? This is the height, this is the width, stacked, and let's put a small padding here. So let's do a padding of just 2.0. Yeah, this should be fine for us, right? So this works. So now most of the things are looking fine. This button, let's see if we can make any changes for this button, and for the pills also, right? Let's see. Let's go to first button 3. Let's close all of this also, and let's open the waking up time. So wake up time, and if you see the button, this is the set time, right? So button and text button, button style. Okay, we don't use any styling to change it, so then we can keep it this way only. What's the default color? Okay, by default you don't get any color. So, I think this should work fine for us as of now. Let's look on this pill size. Okay, to do. Let's go to do. And here, if you see on the expansion panel, this will be on the expansion panel, right? The chip thing. So let's see if we go to 16. How does it look? And what if we don't put any border radius? Okay, it goes to rectangle, and if you go to 16, it goes like this. I think we can go to this 16 only, and Similar for exercise. Let's see for exercise, and then we'll make sure exercise. And go to step and border radius. Save it. The padding of symmetric horizontal page. I think this should look good. So I think now we can put up some constant. Actually we created one, so I have some idea like what we wanted to do. Go to lib utils, homepage defaults, right? Go to homepage default, and we don't want this. Expansion panel padding. Do we even use all of this? Yeah, we do actually. This one. Okay, that's good. This is for the padding, and this type. Okay, we use this also. Okay, these are mostly for padding, and it looks fine. Let's create one static. What do you call this? What should we be calling this? Let's call it tile border radius, something like this. Okay, and let's make this get, so that is a getter. And the border radius, that's circular. What we can do is, if you see on this right here, this is what we want, right? This will be for the list type, and if you see a to-do list or something like this, this is what we want to update. So box decoration, border side, and border radius. So we'll pass border radius and border. Okay. Border radius and border should do for us. Okay. Seems like for list style, we need border side instead of border at all. Then we can directly do this. Then instead of we'll write up to this, and we'll just change the constants, right? if we do something like this, so utils file constants dot constants static and the border width is 1.5, something like this, and static double border radius 16 dot of something like this, right? Then we can directly put the constants equation. Let's remove this, and for 1.5 we can do constants dot get this constant. This one, right? We'll directly put the double here. This should work for us. So let's do one thing. We'll search for this everywhere. I think we'll find it everywhere, most of the places. 3 times, you know, 2 times, right? Okay, and we'll just replace this with 16 can be replaced by constants dot border radius. Replace all. So now we get the border radius, and let's see if we have we need to import also, right? So we are getting every error all the places. Let's do the importing. And the width of 1.5, this also we can change, right? So anywhere we have this width, you can just do width and just put constants dot border width. Replace all. We got an error here, and because we use a constant, anywhere error. Let's reload everything. Is everything running? Yes, everything is running, and I think now the border radius should be same everywhere. We won't be getting different. So everyone will be using this constant file now for the border radius and border width. Even if you log out, right? Okay, these two are different, and we'll be changing for this also. Let's search for zip. We don't have zip or anything, so this is doing this. It's okay. It should be inside drawer. Right? Drawer. Search for zip. This one. Input decoration. Border circular 32. No, this will be constants. Border width, right? let's do all the important info. More errors. No, it looks fine. Let's save this auth register. This is it's fine with the errors. It's here up constants. Okay, this is fine. So we have a problem with the drawer, right? This one. Let's close all others. Zip. So border width and border width, actually it should be border radius, right? Now if you open up this, okay, this is a good border radius. For buttons also we need to change, actually. We'll see on this. And for the timers also, actually. Timers list view. And here if you go to the widget, put it to now with constants, the border radius. Similarly this one, and save this and timer. Yeah, this is what we want, and the border width also is not this. So let's see, where did you put the border width? So it's not with this, it will be constants, that border width. Yeah, this is correct. This one, it looks faded, right? This looks more faded than this. Why is that? Let's say. So this is JEP input decoration, correct? Border radius, okay. And we want border side also. Border side width, constants, that border width. Save it. Okay, we don't have it because this will be part of the enabled and all of this thing. Okay, this looks good, and we can do one thing in this fill button, right? Let's put a little bit of padding so that it's not to the corner directly. Padding, not all, symmetric, horizontal by 4. Yeah, something like this looks fine. Timers also needs to be a little bit of padded. Put this under padding, symmetric, not symmetric, let's put an all of 4. Okay, instead of 8 let's go with 4 and see how this looks. Yeah, I think this looks good. Okay, you get the timers, and yeah, it works. The buttons for now, it's all in the real form. And this also, if you see the pill, right, that is what is this called? Chip. Let's search for chip. We use chip many places, right? Where do we use chip? We use chip for to-do list. This one, border radius, we'll make this as 16. Or 8. Sixteen should be fine for us since we are going with 16 for all of these things. One second, let's go to our constants. Utils. Give me a second. So yeah, okay, there was some issue from my side. I think we have solved most of the things that we wanted. So if you reload the page, that is reload the project, you come back to this page, right? You see we get no errors, and let's log out. Here logged out. You can register here or click on sign in and let's log in. So we can just click that. So take it to the tab, put the password, sign in. We should go to this page, right? And we have all the details, and even the timers are working. So for 5 seconds, if you do click on this, yeah, we get the notification, right? So get the sound also. So most of the things are working, and yeah, the next videos will be more of the cleanup. We won't be doing anything new. We'll just be cleaning up. If you see our main, right, the main, it's a lot of clutter. If you see this, so there are a lot of things that we don't use. There are a lot of global variables, and even the register, right? If you even see the register, this also uses set state and all these things, and we'll be shifting this to river pod. We won't be doing next many things tomorrow. Tomorrow's live will be mostly of cleaning up all of this, and yeah, I think for today I think that's enough. So the problem was we were facing was when we sign in that we are not getting. I've already explained why we were getting that error. That was because we are already navigating to different page, and that page was getting rendered, but it was below the sign in page. So we just had to pop it out so that we get to that page, and that is working perfectly fine for us now. And yeah, that's it for today, I guess. And yeah, if you have any issue, please comment up. I'll see you on it. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next.